In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create sales goals in HubSpot so you can track performance, motivate your team, and hit your revenue targets with confidence. Setting up sales goals properly inside HubSpot allows you to measure progress in real time and keep your entire sales team aligned. Whether you're a sales manager, business owner, or operations lead, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and practical CRM tips. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the main navigation at the top of the screen. From there, click on Reports. In the Reports menu, select Goals. This will take you to the Goals tool, where you can view existing goals and create new ones for your sales team. Now that you're inside the Goals section, go to the top right corner and click on Create Goal. HubSpot will prompt you to choose a goal type. Since we're focusing on sales goals, select Sales as the goal category. HubSpot offers several common sales goal types, including revenue goals, deals created, calls made, meetings booked, and logged activities. The type you choose should reflect what you want to measure and improve within your team. After choosing sales, you'll be asked to select a goal template. HubSpot provides pre-built templates to make this easier. For example, you can choose a revenue goal if you want to track closed-won revenue over time. You can select a deal creation goal if your focus is on pipeline growth, or you can choose a sales activity goal if you want to track calls, emails, or meetings completed by your team. Select the template that best matches your objective and click Next. Now it's time to assign owners. This step is very important because it determines who is responsible for hitting the goal. You can assign goals to individual users, specific sales teams, or even pipelines in the case of revenue goals. For example, if you manage multiple sales reps, you can assign each rep their own monthly revenue target. If you manage teams, you can assign a collective team goal. HubSpot also allows you to set different targets for each user or team member, which is helpful if performance levels vary. Next, configure the goal details. Here, you'll define the specific target amount or number. For a revenue goal, enter the total revenue target. For activity-based goals, enter the number of calls, meetings, or deals required. Make sure the numbers you enter are realistic but challenging. This is also where you'll confirm the pipeline if you're tracking revenue, ensuring the goal aligns with the correct sales process. After setting the target values, you'll need to define the time frame. HubSpot allows you to choose whether the goal is measured weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Most sales teams prefer monthly or quarterly goals, but you should select the time frame that matches your reporting structure. Then choose the start date and duration. For example, you might set a quarterly revenue goal starting on January 1st and ending on March 31st. Once everything is configured, take a moment to review your goal settings. Double-check the goal type, assigned owners, target amounts, pipeline selection, and time frame. This ensures there are no errors before saving. When you're satisfied, click Save or Create Goal. That's it. You've successfully created a sales goal in HubSpot. From now on, HubSpot will automatically track progress and show performance against the target inside the goals dashboard. Managers can monitor results, and sales reps can clearly see how close they are to hitting their numbers. Creating clear, measurable sales goals inside HubSpot is one of the best ways to improve accountability and drive consistent growth. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, CRM tutorials, and sales optimization strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.